This week we are going to focus on instructions, reading instructions and understanding instructions. So I want you to open your textbook on page 102 and we are going to read instructions to make a paper plane. So here you will see your instructions 1 to 8. After you've read your instructions, these 8 instructions, I want you to page 105, and we are going to look at prepositions. What are prepositions? A preposition shows the relationship between the noun and its object. Okay, where you will find something. Is it on the table, under the table, next to the table? Where are you sitting? I'm sitting against the wall. I'm sitting in front of the wall. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Fill in the correct preposition from those in the margin using these to complete the following sentences. So you are going to write the sentence in your workbook, choose the correct preposition in color, write it there and complete it. Fold the paper, the middle. Fold the paper in the middle. Draw a line, 2 circles. If you don't know the answer, page back to your instructions between the 2 circles. Hold the plane, your shoulder, hold the plane between, down to your shoulder. Aim the plane away from people. The last one you can complete by yourself. The next activity will be instructions that you need to read again, and then we're going to test the language. Okay, so the basic dart. This is one of the most popular paper planes around. You will need, so this is what you will need, and those are instructions. Number 1, write down 5 prepositions from the instructions. What are prepositions? Okay, then you need to see if you can find 5 and write it down. Find 5 prepositions in the instructions. Fold the paper lengthwise, unfold the paper and lay it open on. There's your first one, the flat surface. Fold the right corner to the center lines. Fold the left top corner to the center line. Fold the new top right corner to the center lines. Fold the top flap down. There's another one. Front is another one. So find 5 prepositions and list them in your workbook. Number 2, what is the object in instruction 1? Go to instruction 1. What is the object? What is the thing? Fold the paper lengthwise. What is the thing? The paper. Number 3, give an antonym for each of these words. What is an antonym? It's a word that means the opposite. So popular, what is an antonym for popular? Bottom and over. Have a look in your instructions. Number 4, write down the verb and object in instruction 3, 6, and 10. So you write instruction 3 and then next to it you write verb and the object. Then instruction 6, then you write the verb and the object. You write instruction 10 and you write the verb and the object. Your next instructions that I want you to read will be instruction text. Before reading, you work with your partner and skim the text. So that means you're just going to scan through it. Now, after you've scanned through it, you can turn the page to 108. These questions, I want you to answer it to see whether you understand the text. Okay, so let's read the questions first. Number 1A, can a grade 5 child enter this competition? Okay, and with B, they ask why. When will this competition be held? Can you make your plane at home? Explain your answer. So that question will have 2 answers. 4A, what is an artificial launching aid? B, why is this not allowed in the competition? All your answers you will find on page 107 in this instruction sheet. So again, remember, when we do a comprehension test, we read the story. In this case, we are doing instructions. Read it, read your questions, read your story again, read your questions and start to answer it. Make sure that you answer all your questions in full sentences.